Now we've come to the fourth day of our 3-day split. You have two options here. You either take the day off or do 40 minutes cardio. I would prefer to do 40 minutes cardio, but if my body wasn't feeling it, I would also take the day off. So no pressure guys, just do what your body's telling you. Now I would start off with 10 minutes of skipping because I want to add some form of jumping movement into my cardio day. Straight after my skipping, I jump onto the stepper for 10 minutes. Straight after that, I'll do an incline walk. I'll set the incline at 8 and the speed at 5 and walk for 10 minutes. Once I've done that, I jump into the pool for 10 minutes and finish off my cardio session. Now, if you don't swim, you can jump onto the bag for 10 minutes, or even better, you can join a local Muay Thai club and do a cardio session like that. Now, let's jump into day 5. Now we're on day 5. You have two options here. You either repeat the routine that you did on day 1, 2 and 3 and start the process again, or you do this routine, a weighted routine. An absolute great routine to work all the muscles that you worked on day 1, 2 and 3. We start off with weighted pull-up guys. Now this may look a little bit difficult, but I've actually done a routine out there that can get you here within 3 to 4 weeks. And guys, when you do weighted pull-ups, it's a different feel, it's a different look in the gym, and guarantee it will transform your body. Now here, I'm asking for a bit of a spot here because I'm going a little bit heavy and I'm not sure if I can get myself up. That's the great thing about the gym. There'll always be someone there just to push you up, give you that little bit of spot and help take your training to the next level. It's a great place to meet people, build confidence and just become a better person. Then we jump onto weighted dips. First I'll start off with my body weight just to get my joints moving, put some lube in the joints as they would say, and then I add the weights. On the weighted pull-ups we worked our back and our biceps. Here we're hitting our triceps and our chest. With 2 exercises we've already hit 4 muscle groups. What more do you want guys? Now this may seem a little bit difficult, but guys trust me, you can get here as well. It's so easy to get to this level. Once you're at this level, I'm telling you, adding the weights will make all the difference to your physique. Doing these exercises will make your arms grow like nobody's business, and it will actually improve your overall physique. Today, it's not about hitting high reps in the set. We're aiming for about 6 reps, no more. Once we've done that, we'll move on to the next set. We want to complete 5 sets. By the end of the 5 sets, we want to have done a total of 30 reps. Next, we'll jump onto front loaded squats, my favorite way of doing squats. Less pressure on your knees, your hips and your backs. Whether you're using a weight or a barbell, this is the way forward. Now, due to being limited on weights, the maximum weight I could find was 25 kg. I changed up my reps and my sets. I went for 3 sets and 10 reps, getting a total of 30 reps during this exercise. But once we jump onto kettlebells, yes guys, we'll do some kettlebell training. We'll go back to 5 sets of 6 reps. So we've completed 3 exercises. We've hit our biceps, our back, our chest, our triceps, our quads, our hamstrings and our glutes. Straight after squats, you want to go into a push movement. You can do the Spider-Man push-up, you can do a standard push-up, or you can do something even better. You can do the Hindu push-up. This is a great exercise. It works your forearms, your wrist, your triceps, your biceps, your shoulders, your back. Every part of your body is being worked, but also you're getting a good stretch throughout the exercise, which will also be beneficial for recovery, improving your movements, improving your blood flow. That's why I recommend you putting this into your routine. To finish off the routine, we'll work our lower abs. I do bent knee leg raises and I'll add a little bit of a twist so I can work the side abs a little bit more. But you can choose whatever exercise you enjoy doing or feel comfortable doing. So that's it for today's video. If you got value, like and subscribe. Also make sure you leave me a comment if you liked today's video, if you didn't. I'm also offering one-to-one coaching. If you're interested in that, the link's in the description. If not, just leave me a comment, let's talk. Let's get you on your way to success, building the physique that you want, building the future that you want, and building the life that you want. Stay blessed and I'll see you on the next one.